prices at the London Metal Exchange are all weaker today, this morning. Actually, while those on the Shanghai Future Exchange have been mainly firmer, which was in fact in line with the stronger Chinese fundamentals. But on the LME, we can see that all 3-month metal prices are going down today. We can see copper is losing 1.2%, trading below 8,000 right now, at the price level actually of 7,995. Aluminium is going down 0.4%, trading at 1,999, so it's just struggling with the 2,000 mark. Nickel, which was one of the high gainers this week, is also losing this morning 1.5%, trading at $18,045 a ton, while actually zinc is also losing 1.2%, trading at $2,720, and lead trading at $2,011 a ton, losing 0.4%. The spot gold price is slightly up by 80 cents an ounce, trading at $1,847. We can see on the currency side that the US dollar index is also trading water, is consolidating at 90.32 points. After when we saw 19.43 yesterday at the same time, and on Monday we saw a high of 90.73 points. So right now the euro is of course then losing against the dollar, trading at 121.38 roughly. It's quite a busy economic calendar today. We had already earlier this morning data from Japan coming out. The industrial activity fell on 0.7% month on month compared to December. There is also some data from the United Kingdom, from the UK coming out, which will be the construction output. The gross domestic production will come out. We will have the goods trade balance, the index of services and industrial, and also manufacturing production. In Europe, we will have data from France coming out, the CPI. The French Consumer Price Index will come out, the EU trade balance, and later on this afternoon from the US we will have the retail sales, the producer prices, the PPI, and also the Empire State Manufacturing Index, and some data on the industrial production. So apart from nickel, where we saw some high this morning, but as I said, nickel is also losing 1.5%, we can see, as we actually indicated several times this week, the rallies in the base metals have halted and the prices are consolidating right now. All base metals actually are drifting lower, so that is definitely also some take profit activities from investors. We thought anyhow that those temporary corrections are overdue. And it does look as tough that there is no rush actually really to sell the metals. So we think that we are still, of course, in a long-term bull market, and we should expect some counter-trend moves along the way. But as the COVID-19 pandemic is still spreading at a really fast pace, which increases the chances of lockdowns and more restrictive measures all over the world, that could definitely impact the supply side, the supply chains, and may feel they need to keep also well stocked. On the gold price, which had been sold off earlier this week, is also now consolidating. There has been only little reaction actually to Joe Biden's stimulus plans, with the treasury yields also edging lower and with the dollar still consolidating. But as such, gold seems to be waiting also for further directions, just like the precious metals. Have a good weekend.